welcome back to another freaking video. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know. But hi, hello. If you are new here, welcome. Become a part of the OCW gang by hitting that subscribe button right now. Be sure to click the bell button as well because I am trying to become a part of Vlogmas. Alipearl for the girls. We are going to be working with Alipearl for the girls. Okay, you guys. Here's the inside. This is a 13 by 6. I already have it adjusted in the back. It's already cut to how I want it. Follow the tutorial as best as you can. I'm going to be very detailed and explanatory as possible. I used Gorilla Snot to slick my edges back.
Avoid getting the glue in your edges. Just start to create a line on the perimeter of your hairline, and this is going to create where we're going to cut at. Make sure it's at a reasonable amount on the skin and we're not overdoing it. Once you're finished, now we're going to take our combs and just start to spread the glue back and forth. And then taking our blow dryer to seal the deal with the hair and just start to melt this cap on.
Hey, this is my hair. I just recently flattened my hair for the second time this 2020 throughout my hair growth process. And I must say my hair has gotten long. Here what it look like. Here what it look like. There. Yeah. Period poo. Edge is long. Edge is there. Okay. Now I'm going to be taking my Gossipy spray and just going right behind it. Make sure that thing's secure. I like this method because it works for me. I feel like it lays down flatter. You know what I mean? You don't have to go before the wig, the glue line that we just made. But don't get it too much into your hair because your hair will be very itchy and it don't need to be sitting here. So as you're cutting, I just like to hold it up like this. Do not pull, do not tug, just cut it off, okay? Right, so next I'm just gonna take a foundation. I usually don't really like to suggest foundations because they can be tricky when you're doing hair. Now, if you have an oily foundation like me, you're only gonna use it very, very so lightly. You only need a very light tint of it. Okay, sorry, I was being creepy. Sorry. Just do enough till you're liking. Okay.
Taking the same glue that I just used to lay down the ball cap, I'm going to be making very small dots along my hairline between the cap and my skin. Once again, make sure that you're not getting this in your edges, ladies. We're just going to be doing this on the perimeter of our hairline, and once it is completed, we are going to quickly take our comb and go in a back and forth motion to start to create a neat line of where we want our lace to be at. So make sure that you don't overdo it because we want this to be very nice and neat. And if there's any spots that need to be corrected for the lace, we can do that at the end. But make sure that you're making a straight line. And then once we complete this step, we're going to be taking our blow dryer and sealing the deal with her as well, and moving on to the next layer because we're going to be doing 3 layers total. Now I hope you caught all that. And taking notes, ladies, I'm taking notes. I hope so. Blow dry until she is clear, and now we are on the second layer of glue. Here we go. Same method. For me, it's not the same method since I've done hair so many times. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my glue. You guys can use the same method with the dotted lines because it's gonna be helpful and it's gonna help you to stay nice and neat.
Ow! go ahead and start laying down your lace in the front. Make sure that you have it on the way that you want it to look. And just like last video I did, I'm just gonna use the place and press method, since this is already customized to my liking and the way that I want it to fit my hairline, because I already wore it once. So yeah.
Show up. No, you must.
Is that your phone? That's his phone. Oh, that's a nice phone. I'm just gonna be wrapping her up like this. And I'm just gonna put a little knot at the front because I don't feel like struggling to do it in the back. And like I mentioned before and towards the beginning of the video, I only used this to define my curls. You can add in a conditioner to make the curls more tight and they'll stay like that, because if you just put water and no products, it'll just get poofy unless you like the poofy look, which I love. But I'm not really going for the poofy look tonight. I love it exactly how they are right now. So I think I'm just gonna go for a middle part. This is 30 inches, by the way. 30. Really small brush. Alright, and that's just on period. And don't forget, if you like this wig that I am wearing in the video, the exact link to buy it will be listed in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out, along with codes to get you dollars off if you shop with Alipearl right now. So, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Love you guys so much, and yeah. Stay tuned for more, stay tuned for more, stay tuned for more, stay tuned for more, stay tuned for more.